So this is lecture number 5, and this lecture we will discuss the user of the financial information, which we have already discussed. So what does it mean? It means that who uses the financial information and who uses those information and what is the purpose and why they are using those information. So here we have the user, and the user you see here: managers, owners, tax authority, future investor, and bank manager and supply. So these are the user who are using the financial information, and why they are using those information we have discussed. We will have to discuss this. The first one, let's talk about the manager. So manager is each know why they want to use those financial information. The purpose is we sample to check how well the business is doing. So manager wish to know how well the business they are running is performing. For sole trader, manager are also owners, right? So what does it mean? It means that when you are working as a sole traders, then manager are actually the owner of that business. So they actually want to check how well the business is doing. For example, let's say a shop manager looks at profit, to see if sales are improving or not. So this is all about the user manager. Now let's talk about the owner. Owner is actually the person, or the people who have invested in the business. So they are the owner of their business. Clear? So wishes to see how well their investment in the business is performing and what their financial position is. So in simple word, you can say that the owner actually want to see if the investment is growing and what they own. And this is actually the position, the financial position that show these information. We have discussed the statement of profit and loss. We have discussed statement of financial position that show the position of the business. So to see if their investment is growing and what they want is actually the purpose of for the user to see this information, the financial information. For example, let's say we have a baker owner, and the baker owner checks the financial report to see how much profit was made. So this is the second user we have discussed. Let's move on to the third user, that is the tax authority. And the tax authority, why the tax authority required, why they are required to see these financial information. Tax authority, the reason is we sample to make sure the business paid the correct amount of tax, because they are concerned with the tax. So they actually want to know whether the company is paying the actual tax, that actually whatever they earn is they actually paying the exact tax which is imposed, and they are not cheating with the tax authority. So when the tax authorities see all the financial information, after that they calculate what the tax will be, and they also look at the other hand to the business, that how much they have already paid or how much they will pay. So these for the tax authority, the main concern is for the tax purposes. They actually want for the tax purposes they may look through the business record to determine if the tax expenses has been correctly calculated. Okay, now the future investment. These are the another users. They may look at the available financial information. Where is it? That is also a problem. Okay, so the future. Right, working out. Okay, the future, they may look at available financial information to determine how will the business perform before investing money. So the future investor is actually trying, looking for the best opportunity. Before investing, they have to understand the financial information available. And on that base, they determine how the business is perform. So when the business is performing well, and they look for the good opportunities there, and if there's any opportunity, then definitely they go for the investment. Why they are looking? Because they actually want to decide if they should invest money in the business. For example, let's say we have investor check the company profit before buying share. So when the investor check the company profit, and the profit you will see in the statement of profit and loss. So when they are checking that reports, that financial reports, and after that they are deciding to invest in that particular company. There's another investor that there is another user, and that is your bank managers. So they may require about the business financial statement before authorizing a bank to loan. So when you are going for a loan, for that purpose, they are inquire and looking for the financial statement, and that financial statement they are actually trying to decide if the business should get a loan or not. For example, a bank manager look at the financial statement before approving a loan for expansion. So when the bank manager want to give you loan, before approving that loan, they first check your financial statement, and from their financial statement, they look at your financial position, your cash flow, your profit and loss, and other stuff like that. And after that, when they are satisfied, then they give you the loan. And the last one is the supplier. Supplier is also the user, and supplier is why the financial information is required for that supplier. So the purpose is very simple. They are checking if the business can pay for a goods later on credit. So when you're when you're looking for the credit supply, then the supply will check your financial position, and then after that they will decide whether they have to give you the goods on credit or not, because they're looking that whether you are in a position to pay back for the goods later. For example, you have a suppliers, and a supplier will review the company's financial health before offering a credit account. So we have discussed about the user of financial information, and I have also told you about why these information are required for these user, and I have also given the example. Now if I summarize all the things in a simple word, that will be like that financial statements are not just numbers. They help different people make smart decision. Like we have discussed, the manager and owner use them to track performance. We have discussed that tax authority are using them to check the payments, and other like investor, banks, and suppliers use them to decide whether to trust or support the business. So this is all about the user of the financial information. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we will discuss the other financial reports and a very details. Okay, thank you for watching.